Hey everyone, welcome to this free hands and arms Vogue Choreo. I just decided to put this out there as a little holiday gift from me. So yeah, first things first, make sure you warm up and stretch, especially in your arms, your wrists, and your neck and your head and your shoulders. That's all gonna really help make sure that you prevent any injury and also just make sure that you're more able to access the full range of motion in order to complete these movements the best way. But with that being said, let's just get started right into the choreo. It starts with a section that kind of repeats in slightly different ways over and over again. The basic movement looks like this. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my right hand is just coming across my body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then roll out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the same thing as if I did them together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just that my right hand is moving one count before my left. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. The next 8 count, we're gonna start with our left hand. We're gonna do the same exact way going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're gonna roll down in front of us. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put that 2 together. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Moving on, and feel free to repeat any of this until you get it, and then we can move on to the next part. Moving on, we start the same exact way with our right hand this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna do a figure 8 above the head. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're not sure how to do a figure 8 above the head, I'll link a little tutorial that I've made before down below, but just a very quick kind of intro. If you already have a normal figure 8, you just take this, slowly bring it above your head, and then bring it down on top of your head. It's kind of a weird motion to get used to, but if you just think right hand comes forward, left hand comes forward, right hand goes back, left hand goes back, it follows that, okay? And I'll link that again down below in the description in case you need kind of a refresher. Anyway, going back, we just did right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the very last 8 count of this section, and then we'll go all through it together. We're gonna go 1, hands come out, they kind of hit a wall a bit. 1, 2, come down, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, goom, goom, right? So 5, 6, 7, da, da. Yep, you're pushing up like this. The pathway for that is you're crossing. When you cross back, your hands get into that position and push up to go and 8. Okay, let's do this whole section slowly from the very top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, figure 8, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, da, da, okay? You'll hear those 2 beats in the music, they're really strong, but just think goom, goom after that long extended push, right? You really want that to interrupt all the kind of flowy motion before. Let's do it one more time. We're already pretty close to tempo, it's not a very fast song, but we'll just do it once a little bit faster and then we'll move on, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom, boom. Nice. So we just did boom, 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 ka, ka on 8 and. From here, we have a little bit of a fast section, but it'll slow down really quickly. We're gonna hit the kind of the kas, the snares in the background. So I'll try to be using counts, but I'm mostly going on sounds and you'll hear it all in the music. And then again, the music is linked down below. And you can just watch the choreo with it. So I'm not gonna focus too much on counts, but you'll hear the sounds very clearly in the music. Anyway, first we have boom, boom, ha. That's 1 and 2. We're gonna go 1 and 2 like this. Right hand is going around and here. Left hand is just going down. 1 and 2. We're gonna go 3 and 4. So what that is the left hand goes boom, ka. The right hand goes 3 and 4. Right hand is going boom, boom, ha. Left hand is going ga, ga. Together, again, we have da, da. We have boom, boom, ha, doom, doom, ha. From here, you wait until the next click and you go ha, and then it goes doom, 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 right? And you go boom, boom, doom, doom. All that is right, left, boom, boom, up, down. So right, left, up, down. From here, you're gonna wait until the next click, and then you're gonna release, boom, ha. That lands on the next click, and then you're gonna go boom, ha to here. Just to finish this part off, you're gonna go boom, boom, right, left, and then boom, down. Yep, so right, left, down. Let's go over that. I know I threw a bunch at you all at once. We'll go super, super slowly until it all makes sense. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, go boom, 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 boom. Ha, boom, ha, boom, boom, ha. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, boom, boom, ha, ha, do-dum, boom, boom, boom. Ga, goom, boom, pa. Yeah, you'll hear that very clearly in the snares and the beat. Again, maybe this is a good time to watch the full choreo and break it down and slow it down as you need to. When you get comfortable with that part, come back here and we'll move on. Okay, we just did boom, boom, ha. From here, you're gonna do this movement here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just kind of slowly riding throughout. You're not really hitting anything in particular, but just to break that down a little bit, my right hand is going to the left armpit, my left hand is going back behind my right shoulder, and you're just gonna pull away until your hands are on top of your shoulders like this. You're gonna go back the other way, then you're gonna release up and go back to this line here. From here, you're gonna hit boom, boom, ka. On boom, boom, ka, right hand comes in, left hand comes in, and then you go to this X with your right hand behind your left hand, okay? Let's take that back from the very top of the section. We just did 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, boom, ha, doom, doom, ha, doom, ha, da-doom, doom, 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 ka, boom, 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 ha, doom, doom, ka. Nice. When you're ready to move on from here, then move from here, you're gonna go woom, ka. It's kind of a fake figure 8, but all you're doing is you're swapping out the position of your hands and then you're collapsing your wrist down like this to this sort of T. So we have boom, ha. On the next beat, you're gonna go boom. So what that is my right hand is moving out here to this corner, and when it hits there, it starts the movement of this left hand to match it slowly, okay? So boom, 2, 3, 4, okay? From there, you're gonna do another figure 8 above the head, but this one's really fast. You're matching a da-da-da-da in the music, so it goes boom, 2, 3, ga-da-ga-da. Yep, so right and left hand, just real fast. Da-da-da-da-da. So all you're doing there, boom, 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 and then your hands come down slowly on for 4 counts. So doom, da-da-da-da, boom. Yep, hands come down. On the next 4 counts, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands are ticking up like that. You're gonna go 5, right hand at the left armpit, left hand at the back of the shoulder. 6, still taking everything really staccato. 7, elbows come in. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then we'll just kill off the rest of the choreo because we're so close to being done. You just did boom, 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 boom. Last movement, you have a circle going opposite ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your hands up to here. Hands go opposite ways still, and they switch positions to go above the head. And then you do one final circle on this side. Goom, ha. The last movement is doom, doom, ha. You're just gonna go boom, boom, ha. Okay, so that's just in, up. Okay? I know we just added a bunch. Please feel free to replay these parts as much as you need and slow them down until they make sense to you, and also watch them continually reference with the music, and feel free to slow that down as well. But let's just go back over the whole thing super, super slowly, speed it up, and then we'll start trying it with music, okay? 6, 7, 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, go boom, 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 ha, doom, ha, boom, boom, ha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goom, boom, ha, doom, ha, goom, diggy, diggy, ha, 2, 3, 4, goom, 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 doom, 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 ha, circle, and big, circle, circle, and goom, goom, ha. Nice. Repeat that as many times as you need, and let's start trying to build up the tempo and doing it with music. A good tip here is you can always use the YouTube speed button to slow things down as you need until you feel comfortable to go full speed. But yeah, great job, and let's get into it. Practice as much as you need. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. Also feel free to tag me if you end up doing this and you want me to either give you any critiques or just see it. Appreciate you all. Happy holidays. Here we go.